guys, thank you so much for being here. And on today's video I will be showing you how I styled my straightened short fuzzy hair. I did not want to put any product because I was going to do a protective styling immediately after I removed this style, so I just went ahead and started making it. I didn't have a vision or anything, I just went to the flow and I wanted something quick and really easy to do and to remove. I was going to do 2 flat twists, but one from the side, as you can see. And if you would like to learn how to do a flat twist, I'm your girl. Just leave a comment down below and I will do a video for you. I'll still probably just do the video, but it feels nice to be wanted, you know. Okay, so I just wanted something simple. Like as I said, I was going to remove this style the same day and I was going to put a protective styling the next day. That is why I did not use any gels or any hair product, mostly gel because I didn't want to wash it again. And the style that I was going to do needed my hair to be straightened, and that is the whole reason for me straightening my hair. So let me just say this is my first time to actually rock my natural hair, and I am proud of the woman I am becoming. I really loved how easy and simple this style was to do and how it looked. I know it just looked plain in the beginning, and that's why I went ahead and added the metallic beads just to give it a more classy look and make it seem like I actually did try. But when it comes to my parting, you all know I really don't care about it that much as long as I get my style done. So I just went ahead and added the metallic look beads and the look was done. If you've watched this video till here, thank you so much. I appreciate you. My name is Maria and I do videos about protective styling and natural hair. And I have to admit, my hair is actually growing and so is my channel. And I really do have fun making these videos for you. And I hope you enjoy them as much as I enjoy making them. Kindly consider subscribing and join the family and leave a comment about what you think about this style. And thank you for watching. Bye. This was the final look and I wore it, so it did what it was supposed to do. Thanks for watching. Bye.